Hello and welcome to the new production tutorial from guk.ai. Let me show you the easiest way to get sounds that are perfect for uplifting and melodic type of production. Let's generate some analog type LED and tune it to the perfection using built-in effects. Now I want to add some movement to the sound, so I would automate the tension knob to get that uplifting effect. Adding higher values of the tension at the end of the bar create a perfect crossfade effect and make your track sound more unique. This is the trick from latest Armin van Buuren music. Perfect. Now let's add some pumping effect and extra reverb. I prefer Valhalla reverbs, they are quite simple and do their job. Great. Now let's add bass line. Big artists usually use a type of bass, fast sequence bass notes or long res bass. I would choose res tight and add some pumping effect to it. Let's check the final result and try some different types of sound just to check it. You can download Sistema synth. Visit our website and stay inspired.